Good morning, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2013 Chrysler Town Country. We'll do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. We'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get the outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside condition and features in just a moment. But as you're going to see, there are no major dents, dings, no huge scratches. It's a really clean Town and Country. See, it does have the roof rack. I'll get down on tires here in just a second. Let's get down on tire size. I believe it's new rubber all the way around. We'll get both angles as well, so you can see without a doubt there are no major dents, dings, no huge scratches. This is definitely an affordable luxury family van. Fog lights. Alright, let's get to the inside condition and features. As you can see, it has that rolled leather with the wood grain, power windows, locks, power seat. Let's get the condition of the leather. Leather's in great condition. Has the captain's chairs up front and in the middle. We'll get to that here in just a second. Let me pop both of these doors. They have the power sliders, so check those out. Down on the leather here, these captain's chair. Does have a DVD player as well. Get to that in just one moment. I just want to get the back seat here for you, the third row I should say. Really clean. As you can see, it has the accent light up there. Storage, here is the DVD player here. Rear air. Let's get some features up front. Steering wheel controls on the back of the steering wheel. Steering wheel controls there. There's a mileage there. We'll turn it over in just a moment. Here is a media center. It does have the backup camera. Plenty of cup holders, lots of storage, center console. And then up here, so you can control the power sliders if need be. Let's take a look underneath the hood, see what we got before we turn it over. I can navigate this with one hand. Here we go. Now, I do say this in my videos all the time. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I like getting this in here the best I can for folks. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you know what you're looking for. Now, mind you, all of our vehicles, they get plugged in, diagnosed, inspect for oil leaks, all of those things. And I encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau and our Google reviews. We hold it A+ with Better Business. And, well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale, so please keep that in mind. Here's a stereo here with the Uconnect. Let me put it in reverse for you so you can see. Backup camera there. Oh, looks like one of the tires are low. And we have fuel buddy will tell you exactly what tire is low and what the tire pressure is. So it's always nice, but there's the mileage there. Alright, let's go back to the engine so we can hear how it sounds. If I can now pop the latch here, I apologize, folks. Oh, wrong way. There we go. Alright. It's purring along beautifully. Hopefully this helps answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, I can provide you with any information on what we've done to the vehicle when we brought it in. Happy to get it to you. Again, just give us a text or a call. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration. Hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.